Everyone understands that eating greens is good for you, but one doesn't realize that just knowing something is good for you won't make you follow that advice. Here at Healthy Nutrition, we understand this and are ready to help you give the best nutrition tips and tricks to get into the perfect body shape. This powerful package will make it easier to get started and stay committed to your ultimate goal. The guide is a powerful one, inclusive and holistic, and to make it more accessible, we have made sure that it is affordable to all. Well, now you must be wondering why you need to purchase the Healthy Nutrition Guide. With a healthy diet, you'll have the energy to expend in your daily activities. The more physical activity you do, the better your health is and the better results you achieve. The deluxe version of the guide you just purchased will help you learn the correct protein-carbohydrate-fat ratio to optimize your body nutrition intake and run on the best fuel possible. Discover a host of diverse recipes that allow you to enjoy your food while eating healthy. Find out which supplements you should take and which ones you should avoid on your journey to healthy living. The training package contains step-by-step instructions on achieving positive results and makes it easier for the user to follow. Let me give you a preview of what you can find inside. Artificial sweeteners, carbohydrate, fiber, fat, protein sources, hydration, common problems, eating outside your home and trips, eating to lose weight, meal preparation, meal timing, micronutrients, supplements, plus a whole lot more. With the purchase of this training package, you won't need anything else. Weight loss and healthy eating go hand in hand. Healthy nutrition is making sure you get the proper amount of calories in for the day. It means being able to enjoy all types of foods. It means not sticking to bland food only. With this special package, you'll get step-by-step instructions to start your journey to healthy eating because you cannot lose weight without a proper diet and nutrition. The benefits you get out of this complete healthy diet guide are extensive. We care about our customers, so we made sure to create a video version of our guide so that it is easier to grasp the information provided. This guide is easier to understand and is affordable. Clients can get a large variety of information on a topic that is not readily available in the market or on the internet. A healthy diet that encompasses all your nutritional needs is crucial and cannot be ignored when starting a weight loss journey. It is ideal to have a balanced diet so that your weight loss is achieved healthily. Who needs this step-by-step training guide? If your answer to any of these is yes, you should purchase this training program. Are you worried that dieting is a waste of time? Are you concerned that you won't be able to get in the right daily nutrition intake? Are you afraid that you don't have the mental and physical stamina for a consistent healthy nutrition routine? Are you afraid that you will be restricted to a boring and bland diet? Are you sudden food cravings that will seem even more tempting when you're on your journey? Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this, to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But, you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. So, there is no reason why you should not purchase this upgraded step-by-step guide because it is crucial for your weight loss goals. Hurry up and get the new deluxe guide now.